Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning at my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner in the Daily Pages section for the week of November 25th through the 30th using the Autumn Shopping Kit from SammyLynnPlanning. So as I mentioned, this kit is from SammyLynnPlanning, so if you want to get this kit, it is still available in her shop. I absolutely love it. It is probably one of my favorite kits that she has for the fall season, and I've been hoarding it. I had it last year, and I've been hoarding it, so I decided, you know what, Megan, we're going to use it this week, and we're not going to take no for an answer. So that is what we're going to be using. I have the deco here, and then I also have the full kit. Like I said, I got this last year and I've been hoarding it. So this is what comes in the kit. If you want to save some money off of your order from SammyLynnPlanning, you can use my code Megan15 and it saves you 15% off of your order, and you will receive my freebie. I'm going to go ahead and share with you what my freebie for the month looks like if you are interested in getting it during the Black Friday sale or any of the sales that are happening, or just whenever you purchase from her shop. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I believe that we have all the way, okay, so our first day is going to be Sunday, so we actually will be able to use the headers. So that's what I was thinking. I was trying to figure out like if I could use the headers that come with the kit, or if I should not use the headers, but because we are all the way up until the end of the week pretty much, I'm gonna go ahead and use the headers that come with this. So I'm sure what I just said made zero sense, but you'll see when I get to the deco and all of the fun things. I'm actually doing a real-time plan with me in this video because I just thought it would be fun to change things up. So how have you guys been? What have you been up to? What have you been doing? I would like to know. I'm using these because I think they're fun to use for the bottom. But yeah, how has your week been going? What have you guys been up to? Have you been doing anything exciting and fun? Are you doing anything for the Thanksgiving holiday, or are you just gonna kind of chill and relax? Because I totally understand if you are like, no, I'm not doing anything, I'm gonna relax, because that sounds amazing. I was supposed to be off on Black Friday, but I ended up getting scheduled to work on Black Friday. We don't really like do anything for Disney like for Black Friday, but it is a very busy time of year, so it kind of makes sense that they scheduled me, but I'm still sad that I have to work on one of my off days. So it's gonna be a very, very long work week this week. I think we're gonna use this one. I like to do the washi part first, just because it makes the rest of it easier, because then I know how much space I have to work with. If you are unfamiliar, this is the planner that I use to track my food intake for the week. And I track my mood and other things like that. So I try to do a video a week in this planner, but honestly, sometimes I just don't feel like filming one. So if you guys don't get a video every single week, that's why. I've been kind of out of it with like planning in this planner. I've been using it, I just haven't been filming like a video every single time I use it, and I think it's because I'm ready to get into my new planner and I'm ready to like start something else. And I think that's why I'm not really into it right now. Oh, the date cover. That would be helpful. Oh, we can finally use the hydration trackers in the planner too, which is very nice. It's Tuesday. Let go. There we go. All right, and then Monday. And we'll grab this hydration tracker. Perfect. But yeah, like I said, I try to show you guys how I use this planner, but sometimes I'm just like, you know what? I just don't feel like it. I don't feel like showing it, and that's okay. We don't have to always plan a video, you know. Sometimes you just need to sit down and plan just you and a planner, and sometimes I need that, and that's why you don't get videos every single week from me in this planner, because sometimes I just really don't feel like filming anything, and I just don't feel like doing a voiceover or just having a time where I need to do something like this. So that's why sometimes you don't get a video from me, and that's what happened last week. Unfortunately, I was just, you know, I don't know. I don't think it's an unfortunate thing. I think it's a good thing that I was able to just kind of like de-stress with my planner, because sometimes you need that, you know? Sometimes you just need a de-stress. That was like hanging on. Okay, I hope I have enough to finish this. I think we will. We shall see. We have literally just enough. I'm not going to add another strip. I'm just going to wipe that out and that will be done. Okay. And then this side, let's do this. Hold on. I don't like to use washi on every page, but I don't like the words that come in this, so sometimes I have to use washi on every page. You know what I mean? Whoops. Ah, no. There we go. This, my friends, is why you write out before you add the sticker. Because if you don't, you end up like me and messing things up. And we don't want that. All right, Wednesday, Thursday, hydration tracker, and another hydration tracker. Let go. Right there, perfect. Let's do this one there and this one down here. Don't really have a specific like layout that I'm doing. I'm kind of just pulling things together, you know? Yeah, you understand. Okay, let's do that one there. And this one here. I think we are going to have enough for more than one day, which is going to be very cool. Might have enough left over to do like a daily page if I need a daily page for something, which will be nice. And we'll grab this one here. And do a little ribbage like so. And I want this one right there. Whoops. Did you guys hear that rip? That was unfortunate. Okay. I'm putting 2 on this page because I am going to be, well, I was going to be saying I was going to be off on Friday, but I'm not going to be off on Friday. But usually I'm off on Friday and Saturday. So that's why I was putting 2 there. But unfortunately, I forgot that that is not happening. We're going to put this here. I forgot to add these to this page. Oh no, I did do that. Okay. You know, Megan, you are doing just a great job at ripping things today. I really am doing spectacular over here. All right. We're going to put this like that. And this one we're going to put right there. Okay. Let's do boxes. So I think we're going to put that one like this. And do orange. Okay, and then we also have these 2. So we'll do brown here, the cream here, and I got a hydration already, so let's do hydration here, even though I'm not going to need it for, actually we are going to do just on Friday because like I said, I'm not going to need it for Saturday. And let's do Friday and Saturday. And I will make a to-do list with this extra date cover. Do I know what it's going to do? No. But I will figure that out at a later time. There's Friday and Saturday. And I think we're going to do a little bit of this deco. And then we'll be done, you guys. This is coming together a lot faster than I thought. We're not doing any deco over here because these pages are pretty full. But these pages we can add some fun. Especially right here. I'm going to try and use just one of these sheets because, like, why do I need both? You know what I mean? You get me? Okay. Yeah, I definitely won't need more than just this one page. I'm going to put this here because there's not going to be any room to write anything there anyway. Okay, I think we're going to add this guy right there, and then this guy right here. And I think, you guys, I think we are done. What do you think of this spread? I really like it. I think it turned out really fun. I'm glad I will be able to have something to write everything down. So what I'm going to be doing is that here I'm going to be writing, here, I'm going to go to there. Here I'm going to be writing the calories in this small box, and then I also have to track my protein intake and my water intake, which is here. And I also like to track if I have a lot of caffeine, and also like if I need any medication for any shoulder injuries or any shoulder problems that I have, because I don't know if you're aware, I do have shoulder problems now because yay work. But I wanted to make sure I had boxes for that. And then I will write breakfast, lunch, and dinner around here, and then a little section probably like this much to just write down my thoughts for the day. That's usually what I do. I hope you guys guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I do post new videos. I am very excited to finally be almost done with this planner. If you guys are wanting to see how I've set it up, I actually do have a setup on my channel so you can see how I use those back pages for all of my health tracking. And you can see how I do my weekly pages, all of the weekly spreads that I do in my planner. You can see how I do those on my Instagram. I have my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Pinterest linked in the description box, along with everything else that I mentioned. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.